It's been about 4 days. It's been 4 days, like Monday, since I did the Brazilian blowout, and my hair looked like the Ring times a billion. I looked disgusting, right? You all saw that last video. Um, but I looked all. Um, so I washed my hair, and y'all know I had the Brazilian blowout on Monday, and this is after my hair has been air drying for a while, so it's been like a couple hours. It's still a little damp right here. But as you can tell, my hair is extremely smooth. It is extremely soft. Like I can run my hand through it and it's soft. I was worried that it was going to look like this forever, but thank God it doesn't. It actually has some volume, as you can tell. Um, you're not going to lose volume in your hair. It's not a straightener. So a lot of people are like, well, I wanted to use it because I wanted to get a straight perm. Well, it's not a perm. It's not a relaxer. It's a keratin treatment that is supposed to be good for your hair. So if you fried your hair like I have, and you've tried everything, deep conditioners, mask, and all that stuff, you're gonna benefit from this. It is a little costly in your area, depending. I didn't pay that much because I know the stylist, and so I didn't pay like an arm and a leg. But you got to understand, this is an investment, and you have to invest in it. Okay, so you can't just get this and then wash your hair with a normal shampoo. You have to use like a sodium-free, sulfate-free, chemically processed hair or color treated hair. It's the best for it. Um, and with that, I know some of my friends, they dye their hair a lot, and it honestly, their hair always looks good, and I don't know, but everyone is different. My hair has it's more porous for some reason. Like if you see, my hair is very porous and dry, so I fried my hair. If I've dyed it a lot, it breaks. Like it's breaking no matter how much conditioner I used in it. And some of my friends are like, oh, we'll just deep condition it. I've done all the gamuts of it all, so I don't want my hair breaking in the sink, and you know what I mean. And I like to change up my hair, so I know it's my own fault, but I don't want to keep the same hair color forever. I like to switch it up a little bit, try something different. So with red hair like this, it's gonna take some maintenance, and so I got the Brazilian. The shampoo system that I recommend, it was only $58, but it's the awapuhi hair treatment. You can get it at Supercuts. It comes with all this that you see inside. So you're getting a lot. You're getting a bang for your buck before you go, oh, it's $58. Oh my God, it's so freaking much. Um, Sweeties, it's gonna cost you some money, okay? It's gonna cost you to invest, but your Brazilian's gonna last you a lot. It's gonna last you a long time. I like it. It's a keratin treatment. It, transforms your hair from ancient benefits of Hawaii, awapuhi, whatever. Keratriplex, our exclusive blend of keratin proteins. Troubled strands are pampered and protected with every wash, condition, and style. Yeah, I mean, I love it. I can't say any more about this because it's amazing, and I like how soft like air dry. Look how smooth it is. Look at that. If I try to let my hair dry normally, it would be like kaboosh and like all like scraggly and dry and, poofy and matted. But I'm happy I did this keratin treatment. It's amazing. And I'm so happy to wash my hair. You guys have no idea. Like I don't wash my hair every day anyways, but after 4 days of gunky oil and it just like stinks, you're like, I need to wash my hair. I don't know how people cannot wash their hair. I mean, not wash it every day, but not wash it ever. Ugh. Like, ugh. I have a germphobe, and like I'm a germaphobe, like, and a greasophobe, and I don't like my scalp being greasy. But yeah, here's the final results. Now I'm gonna see I'm gonna do a review in a month to see how my hair is, see the benefits of this treatment. But wish me luck. And of course, pick it up at Supercuts, or you can order it online. Whatever works for you. So enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy it.